Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you enjoy cleaning your toilet? Me neither. But if you're a middle-class sucker like me and you have to clean your own toilet, let's enjoy it, right? Let's take a break from reality and go on to fantasy, where we can afford for somebody to come and clean our toilets. All right, back to reality. We all have to clean our toilets, and it's not a fun job, but I gotta tell you, this toilet plunger and toilet scrubber set makes it a whole lot easier. This plunger is made out of a nice rubber material. I don't have to push too hard in order for it to work, and it fits very nicely over the drain pipe, and it did a great job of getting most of the water out of my toilet. Now let's talk about this scrubber. I really do like this scrubber. It fits very nicely in some hard to reach dirty places. It gets my toilet looking very sparkly and clean. Both of them have nice sturdy handles. I can be really rough and do some serious scrubbing, and I know that they're not going to break, so that is a good deal. I also like how compact the little caddy is. It was perfect to fit right there beside my toilet. It's just perfect for small places. I love how everything fits very snugly in there. It's just made to fit in its little home. It's not going to fall over and get dirty toilet water anywhere. It's just very nice and neat. So if we have to scrub our toilets, let's do it with a little bit of flair and style. That's just my point of view.